Today I received my second Christmas present from my husband. 고마워 여보. Mwah. Okay, so today I'm going to do the unboxing. So I received this from coupang. It's an online shopping site here in Korea. So it's a rocket besong. It means fast delivery. So I ordered last night and I received today. So I'm going to show you what's inside. Okay. So let's open. It's an AirPod Pro. Okay, so we will do an unboxing. So 2 weeks ago, he bought phone for me. It's iPhone 12 Pro. So here's the partner. I need an earphone, so I ordered last night and he gave me money for this. Okay, let's open. As you can see, it was made November 20 here. Okay, let's open what's inside. Yeah. So we have the menu. Okay. And here it is. Okay, so let's open. Remove the other seal. Okay. 짠! 봐봐. So it's automatic. The Bluetooth is open, so it's connecting to my phone. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this one on the left and this one to the right. Okay, see the case, and then it comes with a charger but without the adapter, just the wire, and it has free earbuds. Okay, see this? Nice. Small and large size. So I have a spare. Okay, I will put it again. I like this one because the AirPods 1 and 2 doesn't have this, so I think it easily comes dirty compared to AirPod Pro. So next time I will test the sound. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to use it, go to my office. Okay, so love it. Okay, so I'm going to put it back and we'll test it later. Right and the left. Because the color is white and I think it's not easy to bring it and I might lost it. So I also ordered a jelly case for AirPods Pro. Okay, let's open. Oh, nice color. Okay. Okay, see? 저기 있네, 여보. And it comes with a handle. So I have to connect it to pin it. So since it's color white and it easily gets dirty, so I will put it in a jelly case. Okay. So that I can put a chain to my bag or my wallet. Nice. Now he's testing my AirPods Pro. He's listening. 어때? 괜찮아? Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.